Welcome back to Wireman's Whimsy. We are going to do project number 3, which is this one here, with the Deck the Halls. So I've got my green card base, and I've got the base, I think it's probably basic white with the basic beige linen look kind of over top of it. I've got my greeting banner. I've got my bauble and my bauble decoration, and then my hanger. So first thing I need to do is I need to ink up my stamp and stamp the Deck the Halls. So I'm just going to ink this up, and I'm going to stamp it off to make sure I've got good coverage, and I do, so that is excellent. Yeah, it was just that Merry Christmas really didn't ink up well the very first time. So I'm just going to pop this down. And I want to be straight, so I apologize if my hair gets in the frame while I line that up. Sometimes with the way the light reflects on things, I can't actually line it up. So we've got all our pieces. So I need to put tear and tape on this. I need to put dimensionals on this. Tear and tape and some tear and tape and some adhesive dots here, and then on this piece I need to put dimensionals. So let's start with the dimensionals. I'm going to put one here and one here, and then the Deck the Halls, this piece is off to the side, so I need to put the dimensional on that side, and then the bauble gets 5 dimensionals. There we go. Okay, great. Now I need to do tear and tape, which I will do next. And we're going to do the same thing as we did on the back of the other 2 card fronts. We are going to put 3 strips of tear and tape down, just like that. And then we need to put a small piece of tear and tape in the middle of the bauble detail. Okay, so we're going to do that a little bit just in the middle of the bauble, like that. And then we need our adhesive dots, and we're going to put 1 on the greeting, and then 1 in each of these little crescent shape or scallop edges here. We're going to do that like that and like that. Okay, so let's start building. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to adhere this down. Okay, so let's just, again, take those backings off. And while I'm doing these videos, my brain is already working on how I'm going to do what I'm going to do for alternates. So my mind is whirring. Okay, so what do I do next? I need to put the detail, and this has an up and a down. It's the 3 flocked pieces here and then the V piece at the bottom. This does not have a direction on it, but I need to layer this up. Okay. I'm just looking at the instructions, trying to figure out how we put the hanger on. This is the hanger piece. So I cannot read the instructions and talk at the same time, so apologies if it goes really quiet in the middle of my video. And then we're going to just pop this down. I'm going to line it up as best we can at the top and bottom before we get any adhesive going on. So I'm just going to hold that there like that. Make sure that I'm kind of lined up at the bottom, and then just give it a squash all around the edges. And there we go. And this piece is just slightly bigger than the base. So we're just going to peel these off like this. Okay. Now this goes down like this, just like that. Okay. And then the hanger, I think they wanted us to put the hanger on before we attached this down, but I can't really see how we could have done that. So this, I'm going to make sure this is straight. And this goes to the top of the card, if we can. Just like that. There we go. Okay, well that worked. And now we're going to put our greeting down, our deck the halls. And this goes just over top of the leaf there, and I'm just going to make sure I'm straight. There we go. Okay, and then we get to put these little rhinestones on. I need 3 of them. I need a large one and 2 small ones. So I'm just going to use my piercing tool to peel that off. I'm going to put one here. That's the large one. And then the 2 small ones, I'm putting one here and one down here. And that is our 3rd card. So that is all 3 projects from the kit. So stay tuned. I'm going to do that first alternate video up right after this.